Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to cancel a withdrawal on Nexo using a laptop. If you accidentally send crypto to the wrong wallet, enter the wrong amount or just change your mind, this video is for you. So let's get started. So first you need to open a browser and go to this official Nexo website. Over here you can go to the Chrome or Safari and in the top there's a search bar, type down nexo.com, and over here when you reach into this interface in the top right we can see there's a login. Select the login over here and simply you land into Nexo dashboard here, and from the top you need to select the transactions, and here you see all the recent deposits and withdrawal. Now you can look for the withdrawal you want to cancel, and important, you can only cancel a withdrawal if its status is pending. It already says completed or processing on blockchain, it cannot be cancelled, and if the withdrawal is still pending you can click on it. You'll see an option like cancel withdrawal. You can click on the cancel, then confirm your action, and that's it. Your funds will be returned to your Nexo wallet balance. Now you can simply start a new withdrawal, re-enter the correct wallet address, network and amount carefully, then submit again. And that's it. That's how you can cancel a withdrawal on Nexo using. And if this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe and comment below. And if you have any confusions on how to cancel a withdrawal on Nexo, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.